ladies, this is a stern warning from me. Take it from me. When you get these opportunities for either stay in a foreign country or travel to a foreign country. So whether somebody will go file for you or somebody will help you in a foreign, please don't let it cost your life. Don't make it cost your life. If you intend to go back to Jamaica to your man, or you intend to have a new man, or you intend to do all of these things, do not let it be at the cost of your life. And me say that because me know no want the help. Me get that. Me understand that. Me know you might fall out of love. Me get that. Me understand that. But don't make help or don't make an opportunity be the cost of you not being here. All right? Good. Now that me get past that, me ready for you now. Ladies, let me just tell you this. You see certain man, you no use them. Certain man, you no use them. Watch this. You see man who work on the garbage truck. You see man them walk under the bridge them, under the toll them, under the gully, under the gutter up on the roadside. You no use them Monday. The man who burn out them face over hot pot and fries and burger. You no use them Monday. The man who stand up in the barber shop 13, 14 hours a cut one and two here. You no burn them Monday. You no use them Monday. The little man them where you see, I try for work and bring in a little honest dollar so they can get to eat and put a roof over your head and put food on your table and feed them kids. You know use them Monday, you know bond them Monday, you know jacket them Monday. The little man them where make you look at 35, 45, 55, maybe 60,000 a year, left them Monday alone. If you no come in them Monday life, you use bun and abuse them Monday, leave them Monday alone. Leave them Monday alone. The hard working man them when they have no skill. But if you're willing to go swing some bucket and mix some matter, not touch them man the money. Leave them man they alone. Make them man they go and go align themselves with quality women. We're willing to work hand in hand with them man they to build a family. Now that we understand, say, them man they to align themselves with good woman, make me just say it. You do have some drunker out there. You have some drunker man out there. We are right up and down to the scheme from bicycle, no shirt. You have some man out there when they have no life, no value, no offer nothing to the world. Go and go align yourself with them man there. At them man there you have to go look. At them man there you have to go deal with. At them man there you have to go bun. Leave some of the good man them alone so them can align themselves with some of the good woman them were actually there. Good man with good man and uno go with the drunker them. So it can work out much easier because now we can identify good women because as soon as we meet uno we tell you so uno a drunker and uno want to align on yourself with dirty drunker. So please, just step out of the way so good men can go align themselves with good women. Please.